Hello everyone, welcome to today's webinar. I'm Amber Jen, Product Manager at ASRock Industrial. Today, we are excited to launch the iEP-5010G-DCN. In the era of industrial IoT and Industry 4.0, we have observed many customers struggling with the dual challenge of extreme environments and escalating cybersecurity threats. To address these pain points, we have designed the iEP-5010G-DCN as a distributed control node, specifically for process automation. It is engineered to operate in harsh conditions and features an explosion-proof design, making it ideal solution for demanding sectors like oil and gas industry. In the beginning, we would like to share with you that we are honored to receive the Best in Show Award at Embedded World 2026, presented by Embedded Computing Design, for its iEP-5010G-DCN industrial controller. The Best in Show Award recognizes the most innovative technologies showcased at Embedded World, highlighting solutions that deliver significant advancement in design excellence, outstanding performance, and significant market impact in the field of embedded and industrial computing. Over the next 15 minutes, I will break down why this machine is a definitive answer to this challenge. We will start with its key features and proceed to the comparison, which I know many of you are eager to see. Then move into the detailed hardware specifications. Finally, I will share some core use cases where this device truly excels. Let's start with core engine. The iEP-5010G-DCN is powered by the Intel ATEX 6425RE processor, part of acclaimed Alcalá platform. The RE suffix is key for industrial reliability. Unlike standard consumer CPUs, this processor is designed for industry use conditions. This platform strikes a perfect balance between high computation performance and low power consumption, making it ideal for edge computing. It is built to last for 10 years in extreme environments, ensuring long-term availability for your project. Regarding memory, we have equipped it with dual-channel DDR4 sorting slots, supporting up to 32 GB. More importantly, it supports in-band IECEx. In industrial automation, data integrated is non-negotiable. In-band IECEx corrects memory errors in real time to prevent system crash. For storage, we provide a PCIe Gen 3x2 M.2 2280 slot, supporting up to 128 GB. But performance only half the story. Industrial side require massive connectivity for sensors and controllers. So despite this compact size, we have packed in one high bandwidth 2.5G LAN and full 1G LANs. What's even more impressive is that all these cores support TSN and TCC technology, allowing the device to handle time-critical, deterministic tasks, making it ultimate choice for high-efficiency smart factory. As a rugged device, the iEP-5010G-DCN is a fanless industrial controller, purpose-built for hazardous and harsh industrial environments. It supports a wide operating temperature range from minus 40 degrees to 70 degrees, and can operate reliably at altitude up to 3,000 meters. We have also engineered it with superior shock and vibration resistance. It can withstand up to 100 G of shock and 5 grams of random vibration. Now, let's talk about what really sets the iEP-5010G-DCN apart. Its extremely ruggedness and robust security. There are three major designs for distributed controller node application. The first one is the explosion-proof design. iEP-5010G-DCN has three kinds of explosion-proof testing. UL for North America area, ATEX for Europe, IECEx for rest of the world. Such certification makes sure the controller can work properly in flammable gas or dust environment. An end user can be confident for deploying iEP-5010G-DCN for mission-critical tasks without safety concern. However, we didn't stop there. The second one is the anti-corrosion design. Many industrial sites are filled with corrosive gases. Imagine a petrochemical plant or coastal facility where corrosive gases or salt spray are present. The maintenance cost alone can be nightmare. This is why we introduced the district-grade anti-corrosion design, compliant with EIA-364-65A Class 3A. The internal components are protected by a district conformal coating, effectively shielding them from moisture, dust, and lethal gases like H2S, CO2, and NO2, significantly extending the product's lifespan in heavy polluted environments. Moving from physical to digital defense, if you look at the red highlighted section on your screen, you will see our top-tier security stack. When we talk about edge computing, we must address the elephant in the room, cybersecurity. Unlike servers locked in secure data centers, edge devices are often deployed in unmonitored remote locations, like smart grid substations or required gloomy corners of massive factory floor. This makes them highly vulnerable not just to network breaches, but to physical tampering. This is why the IEP-5010G-DCN features TPM 2.0 hardware encryption and chassis intrusion detection. If someone attempts to physically disassemble the device on site to access your data, the system detects it immediately and can trigger an instant lockdown. Now, let's talk about the real crown jewel of our security stack, enhanced security design. The IEP-5010G-DCN is built on a zero-trust principle and is certified for IECEx 62443-4-2 Security Level 3. Now, what does Security Level 3 actually mean for your business? It is more than just blocking common malware. Its standard is specifically designed for high-risk industrial environments. While standard security stop casual threats, Security Level 3 is engineered to defend against intentional and advanced cyber attacks, the kind launched by hackers with significant resources and specialized industry knowledge. In unmonitored edge environments, Security Level 3 is our promise of resilience. Whether it is targeted ransomware attack or professional industrial theft, this device acts as a military-grade shield, ensuring your critical infrastructure, like power substation, continue to run normally, even under fire. So, when you combine this high-level cybersecurity with our physical readiness, you may ask, how does this completely redefine the market standard? Next, let's explore how our platforms stack up against other leading solutions in the market. As you can see in the comparison table, we have benchmarked the IEP-5010G-DCN against the alternative options. First, where alternative options limit your field visibility with only 2 or 3 standard LAN ports, we provide 5 LAN ports, including a high bandwidth 2.5G uplink with 4 TSN and TCC support. This delivers 2.5 times the connectivity, allowing you to aggregate edge devices directly without purchasing extra switches. Next, in terms of physical endurance, standard market solutions typically top out as 50G shock resistant. Our platform, however, delivers a staggering 100G shock resistance, offering double the industry average. Combined with the minor 40 degree to 70 degree wide operating temperature and G3 grade anti-corrosion coating, We ensure absolute stability under any harsh field condition. Finally, the real decider on the right, security and certifications. While other solutions in this tier completed lack specified international certifications, the IEP-5010G-DCN proudly carry both the IECEx 2443 Security Level 3 and global explosion-proof standards like ATEX Zone 2, IECEx, and UL C1D2. Combined with tower level TPM 2.0 and chassis intrusion detection, we set the security ceiling that other simple cannot match. Before we look at the real-world applications, all the market-leading features we discussed, from the Intel X6425RE engine to the Y6 to 36 voltage power input, are fully documented here in our official specification, serving as the hardware baseline for your project. If you look at the real I/O panel on the current slide, you will see we use industrial finish type DC imports support a wide range of 6 to 36 voltage. The compact chassis also hosts 2 serial ports, 2 USB 3.2 Gen 2, 1 HDMI 2.0, and total 5 LAN ports, 4 for 1 G LAN ports and 1 for 2.5 G LAN ports. Also with flexible DIN-rail or wall mount option. Now, we have covered a lot of technical specifications today. But you might be wondering, what do all these certifications actually mean for my day-to-day operation? If you look at the summary on this slide, you will see that being certified for ATEX Zone 2, IECEx, and UL C1D2, combined with our user conformal coating, isn't just about passing tests. It's about building a system that ensures stable operation where others simply cannot survive. Whether it is an exposed atmosphere or highly corrosive environment, we provide a foundation of trust. So, let's put into perspective. Given this high-end spec, where does this platform truly thrive? I have identified 4 key scenarios where the IEP-5010G-DCN becomes a game changer for our customer. First, let's look at the oil and gas sector. Please take a look at the industrial rig picture on the left. These environments are definitions of harsh. Our wide temperature range and explosion-proof certifications ensure that even in the most volatile conditions, your data backhaul remains stable and safe. You don't have to worry about system failure causing dangerous situations. Moving on to the chemical and pharmaceutical plants. In this facility, equipment often deal with invisible enemies, acidic or corrosive chemical vapors. This is where our user conformal coating pays for itself. It ensures the motherboard won't short circuit due to corrosion, extending the life of your investment and reducing unexpected downtime. Thirdly, for energy and utilities, such as gas terminals or smart grid substations, the challenge is often complexity. You need to connect many devices once. Notice the 5 LAN ports on the IEP-5010G-DCN. This high port density, combined with our rugged reliability, allows you to manage complete sensing and control tasks without needing extra switches or bulky hardware. Finally, let's talk about high-end fabrication. In the semiconductor world, precision and security are the 2 pillars of success. By leveraging TSN and TCC for real-time networking, alongside our IECEx 2443 Security Level 3, we provide the ultimate zero-trust data hub. It protects your most sensitive production secret while ensuring every millisecond of process is perfectly synchronized. As we come to the end of our session today, let's take a look at the final summary on your screen. This single slide represents the entire philosophy behind our design. In summary, the IEP-5010G-DCN is far more than just another industrial PC. and it's a flagship edge computing platform built as the ultimate distributed control node for modern IIoT. So, when you choose this platform, you are investing in three core promises. First, intelligence connectivity to handle your most complex networking needs with real-time, deterministic precision. Second, ultimate ruggedness to conquer the most extreme environments, from exposed atmosphere to corrosive sea air. Third, uncompromising cybersecurity to secure your unmonitored edge with the military-grade Zero Trust armor. We designed the iEP-5010G-DCN so that you can deploy your intelligence anywhere with absolute peace of mind.
Thank you for your time today. I hope this session has provided you a deep understanding of this rugged platform. Thank you.